Now I'll do on top of multiple tables. Now this is the query I have taken, like a category and subcategory and the product wise, whatever cost we have. I'm just taking that. Let me just read it. So what is this query? Can you please mute? Okay. So this query is giving category and subcategory wise all the products and their total value. Can you see under bikes? So we have mountain bikes is one of the subcategory. Under mountain bikes we have many products are there, correct? And their line totals are there. So now these records are coming from 3 different tables, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So this query we have already seen. So while I have explained the joins, I have given this query. Okay. So all the categories and their respective subcategories and all the products in that subcategory and respective totals. Okay. So in this, what I need is category and subcategory wise, whichever product has highest line total, right?
Okay.
Maybe instead of line total, you can just say cost. Okay. This is the cost of your product, correct? So whichever product has highest cost, you have to bring that information. So if you see in bikes, so how many products are there? 7 products are there, correct? So out of which one product, has highest cost. Can you see? This product has highest cost, correct? 607. So you need to bring that. Okay, you need to bring that. Now this information is not there in single table, and we are written a multiple tables. I mean, we have written a joins to get this information. Okay. Now on top of this, how to apply a row number? The dense rank function, and how do you get that highest product information? We'll see. Okay. So same query, there is no change in it. The only thing is we'll just go and add that row number. Dense rank function, because we are not very sure, right, whether maybe in a single two products might have same cost, right? That's why I'm using dense rank function. Dense rank over partition by. So now tell me, in partition by class, which columns will come into the picture?
Category name.
Category.
Sorry?
Category name.
Category name.
Category name?
Category.
Subcategory product.
Yes. Now basically both the columns will come, not this column, guys. This column we should not keep it in the partition. If we keep it, see what will happen. See, they're expecting this column in the output. Okay. But if we keep this column in the partition by class, every row will be considered as a 1-1 group, correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. But what we need, what they're saying is category and subcategory wise, each product means whichever product has highest cost, we need to bring that. Okay. So in such a case, category and subcategory will come into the partition by class. Okay.
Correct.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions here. Category name. Yes. And then order by
Line.
Line total.
Line total.
line total descending, right?
Yes.
That's it. And as DR, I'll just keep DR means dense rank. Okay. So from
Okay.
remaining things are same. Okay, and if I go and execute this, see what will happen.
Condition.
Okay, so this the reason behind that is I'm using alias columns here. We should not use the alias column now in partition by clause. We should use the original columns, right?
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So pc.name and ps.name, correct?
Sir.
And let me, and line total, just give a SOD dot. Now can you see the data has been sorted based upon category and subcategory, correct? And respectively, it has been assigned the values as well.
Ranking.
Yes, correct. So under bikes, sorry, under accessories, we have a bike racks. Okay. Just a second. Huh? One, two, three. Can you see this? Under accessories, sub racks is subcategory, and we do have same products but different costs are there. Okay, different costs are there. Now can you see the rank is 1, 2, sorry, dense rank is 1, 2, 3, and there is the same cost is there. So that's why the rank is same, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Correct.
and here the rank is 5, 6, 7. So likewise, there are so many products are there in this, right? So what we required the highest, whichever product has highest rate, right, or cost. We
Correct.
need to bring that. So basically this record, correct?
Yes.
Now if you go down, yeah, under accessories and 1 second, it's not going up. See, under accessories again there is tiles and tubes. Okay, and why it is giving same cost? One second now, let me just see. Let me comment out this. While joining, there is a duplicate record, right? Let me just see what's happening here. Okay, I got it. 1 second. So the thing is, when I'm joining into this sales order details, right? Can you see? A product ID to product ID I'm joining. When you're joining, what is happening? See, one product ID has many orders here, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So if I do a where class, let's say where my product ID equals to 776. So you can see there are different orders with the same product ID, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
So in this case, what I will do is, let me just see what we can do. Okay. So instead of this line total, what I will do is, because we are getting, so much of information because of multiple orders here. So what I will do, instead of joining one more table, right? Let me bring the line total from product table itself. We do have a line total in the table, right? Let me just show you. It's not line total, something unit cost, something is there. Let me just check.
Unit price.
Is that?
Unit price.
1 second.
Oh, that is also not there. eBay.
You can open that table. Right?
Least price also.
Price, yeah. List price.
This price here.
I think this is fine. Okay. So now we are getting 295 records. Now let's apply dense rank over here. And here it should change, right? It is P dot list
P
price.
dot list price.
Okay, now you can see. Yeah. Under accessories, different subcategories are there. Okay. And on one category, there can be same subcategory but different products. Okay. See, the rank has been assigned 1, 2, 3 from descending to ascending, right? It is in descending order, right? The list price. Are you able to understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, see here only one category, one subcategory, under that one product is there. So that's why dense rank is 1. Here also same. But when it comes to the third one, right? So here under one category, under one category and subcategory, we have 3 products. So that's why it is sorting in descending order and given 3 dense ranks. 1, 2, 3. Got it? And when you go, yeah.
Sir, I have applied in descending list price here.
Correct.
Descending rank.
Correct.
If you could please apply in ascending, it will come.
Yes, if you give ascending, it will sort the data in ascending order, that list price. Okay, now 4.99 will go into the top. So basically you will get the products which are having less cost if you select one.
Yeah.
Okay. Understand? Yeah. So now you can see in this example, under accessories and helmets. So we have 3 different products having same cost. And this is the highest cost, correct?
Yes, sir.
And and as the cost is same for 3 different products, the dense rank remains same, right?
Yes.
So 3 records will come into the output. So now what you can do here, so if I want to get it, the wherever dense rank is 1, so just open and close bracket A, and here you can just put. So instead of select A dot star, right? See, when you put A dot star, what will happen? So you will get category name, subcategory name, product name, list price along, and also dense rank will also come.
Yes.
But do you require dense rank to display in the output?
No.
Not required. So it is only for filtration purpose, correct?
Yes.
So A dot subcategory name, comma A dot name and A dot list price, right? And here you can say where dot row number equals to 1, correct?
DR.
Yeah, it is DR, not here. Okay. Now out of 295, we got only 94 records. Okay, these are the records in each category and subcategory wise, highest list price or highest cost, you can say, instead of list price. So you can just say cost also. Maybe what you can do as product cost alias name, and the same alias name you need to call it over here. Okay, understand?
Yes.
So this is from the multiple tables. See, same thing, whatever we did yesterday. Yesterday, all this information we have in single table, correct? Now all the information is there in multiple tables, right? So that's why I just joined and applied my dense rank and partition by classes. Clear? But the concept remains same. There is no change in it. Any questions?
Here I have a question, but I don't remember. If you want to find out the last rank, for example, you have multiple, like it's a big table. So if you want to find out the particular what is the last rank means, what is the process we follow here?
Last rank, huh?
Yeah, like for example, now we have sorted based on the highest value. We are considering this like highest rank, highest value is the first rank. Here,
Correct.
for example, we have some lakhs of rows here. In that case, what is the last rank if you want to find out?
See, last rank,
in
finding the last rank in each partition is very difficult. Why? Because see, in this partition, the last rank is 3, correct?
Yeah,
But
I got it.
whereas,
Like here we have,
yes, in this
yeah,
we
here,
don't have. We have the last rank as 1 only, correct? So finding out the last rank is difficult. So if at all you need that bottom value, the output, the only thing is you need to put it in sorting ascending order and select again dense rank equals to 1. So that will give us the product wise, subcategory and category wise lowest product cost.
only that is the way.
Yes, only that is the way. Okay, because partition to partition, the last ranks will gonna change, right?
Correct, correct.
Here it is 3. In all these cases, it will be 1. And when you go down, yeah, here the last rank is 9. Correct?
Correct.
So everywhere it is, differing, right? So we cannot predict what is the last rank in it.
Sir, for getting the last rank, we can remove a partition by, and directly if we put order by in ascending order, we can also get the last value at
No,
the
if
first
we remove
one.
last value means you will get the last record. But you need partition wise what is the last rank, correct?
Yes, you're correct.
Yeah, partition wise last rank we cannot predict. It can be 8, it can be 3, it can be 10, it can be 100. We don't know, right?
Yes.
So the only thing is we can get highest and lowest values by sorting the data descending or ascending respectively. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And we can also get it the second highest, the third highest, fourth highest and all. Okay. Now, when you do second highest, what will happen means in some of the partitions, we do not have second highest product, right? So when you go and execute this, let me show you. See, these products doesn't have, second product which are having highest value, second highest value, basically, correct? Under this category and subcategory. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Are you getting it? See, this is one partition, right?
Correct.
Under this, we have only one record. So which means the DR, the dense rank number is only 1. Do you have 2 in it? No, right?
No.
And in this partition also only one product, the dense rank also 1. Whereas here the dense rank is we have 3 products under this category and subcategory. The dense rank is 1, 2, 3. Now, if I need the second highest, product cost, So I can put a dense rank equals to 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So in such a case, only this record will come into the picture. This won't come because here we do not have 2, right? There is no second highest. There is only first highest product cost we have. Getting it?
Yeah,
So
yes.
wherever 2s are there, where in whichever partition we have a second highest product cost is there, that will get filtered. See now, only 70 rows are there. Clear? And if you want to see whether it is filtering only 2s or not, you can just simply keep dr and just verify it. A.dr and just verify it. It just filters only 2s. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. And if you put 3, right, again, let's see how many records. Now it is 70 rows. If you go and observe in the below, now it is 70 rows. If you go and execute this, now it is 48 rows. Maybe because of in some of the partitions we do not have third highest value at all. Correct? So it won't come into the picture. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it.
It's just finding out the first, second, the third, fourth, fifth highest ranks basically. Okay.
Yes.
Any questions?
Sir, what will happen if you put only category name in partition by?
Category name in partition by category name.
Only category name, sir. If you
Only
remove
category name. Yeah, let me just show you. So now how many partitions will happen? Only 4 partition. 4 4 partitions. See, accessories, we have accessories, we have bikes and clothings and then components, right? Okay, let me just show you. Let me execute first this inner query. Can you see? Accessories will be considered as a one partition, right? Now, when you are assigning the dense ranks, right? Okay, can you see how it is assigning? So now, 1 second. Yeah, this is a single partition, correct? All the accessories are single partition. Now the dense rank is assigning. If the product cost is different, the dense rank is differ. If the product cost is same, it is assigning the same rank, correct?
yes, sir.
Now only 4 partitions will be there because you are doing the partition on top of category name. So when you do on top of subcategory, right? Now based upon category and subcategory, so it will just do the partitions. It has to be same actually. Then only it will be considered as one partition. So now when you go down, can you see when it comes to bikes, the dense ranks again reset to 1. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, in the other case, what it is doing when you do when I have taken subcategory in the partition by, right, this will be considered as one partition, correct? Bikes and road bikes considered as one partition, and bikes and mountain bikes considered as another partition. Let me just show you. I'll execute both the queries and I'll show you the difference. I'm just removing here subcategory name. Okay. And maybe instead of fetching all the rows, right, let me fetch a particular category so that you'll get clarity. Bikes. I'm just fetching one category. Okay. Can you see this? So now the first one is what? This category wise.
Bikes, mountain bikes.
1 second. This is category and subcategory wise partition. It is only category wise partition. Okay. Is that correct? PC.name.
Both are bikes, sir. Where condition?
Sorry.
There is bike for both.
That's fine. That's fine. 1 second.
Sir, above one category plus subcategory, sir.
Yes, this is category plus in partition, category and subcategory both are there. Whereas here only.
Category only.
Yes, category only. Yeah, can you see this? Now here, when it goes to the bikes and road bikes, it is reset to 1, correct? Yes, and let's see. Now, under bikes, right? I think there is no resetting here. If you go down, there any reset of dense rank?
No, sir.
No, because we are doing the partition in the category, right? And the reset will happen to the next category only. Understand?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Any questions? See here, category, we have a partition, a category there in the partition by clause. Okay. Now, how many categories are there totally? One is accessories, clothing, bikes, and components. Totally 4 categories are there, correct? So how many partitions will happen?
4
4 partitions. Okay. Yes. So that is why when you take bikes, right? So there is no resetting is happening because we have took only bikes, right? Now when you go in the above example, here the partition in partition by class we have category and subcategories there. Okay. So when you go down, yeah, till this mountain bikes, so the dense rank will keep on assigned. When the subcategory name changes, see, obviously it is considering these as a one more partition, correct? That's why the dense rank is resetting into 1 again. Till, let's see how many, yeah, till here. Now when the touring bikes are, when the subcategory is changed again, the dense rank will reset. Okay. So depends on the columns, whatever we put in the, whatever we put in the partition, the number of partitions will differ. Now, how many partitions are there in this table means in the above example, first example means it depends on number of subcategories in the table. I think we do have totally 39 subcategories are there. Let me just see. So I think 39 partitions will be there in that case. 38. Can you see? 38. 1 to 39 means how many? We have 39 subcategories, right?
Yeah, it's 39.
38 is not there,
Yes.
sir.
38 is not there. Okay. So totally 38 partitions will happen. Okay, because the partition will happen both on category and subcategory, right? Correct.
Yes.
When we have only category, how many categories are there? Those many partitions will happen. You go and check in the category table. How many? Let me just see. We have totally 6 partitions, but out of which we'll get only 4 partitions. Why? Because 5 and 6 we do not have any subcategory and products, right? And we are performing inner join here. That will get eliminated. Yes or no? We'll get only matched records, right? So we will get only 4 partitions. Okay. Whereas in the subcategory, all are matched actually, because I did not insert any external value in the subcategory table. Clear? Any questions? Any questions? కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉందా ఏమన్నా?
No confusion.
No, sir.
Let me know. So here the question is very simple. Write a query to find out category and subcategory wise.
Highest,
Category and subcategory wise highest
highest to price.
product cost. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, correct.
Maybe along with product names. Yeah, this is the question for this. So based upon the question, we just need to check whether all the required fields are there in single table or multiple tables. If it is single table, directly we can apply the select query with a ranking function. And if it is multiple tables, you need to perform joins in it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you please write down this? Let me know if you have any questions, guys.
Sir,
Yes.
select statement, you have mentioned A dot product name, sir.
Yes.
Sir, A dot product name means in dense rank we didn't mention the column name, sir.
Can you repeat your question once again?
In select statement, we have mentioned A dot product name.
Where
It's
this one?
it is A dot product name or B dot name, comma product name, sir.
No, I'm not getting. See here, what is the inner query? Inner query will give us what?
Join and dense rank. Sir.
Yes, and also I have mentioned category name, subcategory name, product name columns. I brought totally 4 columns from these tables, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I brought totally 4 columns in my inner query. Okay, and along with one dense rank column, extra column, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now in my A table, what are all the columns? We do have category name, we do have subcategories, product name, product cost, and dense rank also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now that's what I'm selecting here. So A category, subcategory, product name, and cost. And anyway, dense rank is not required for us. It is only for filtration purpose.
Okay.
So what is your doubt here?
So my doubt is, we have mentioned A dot product name.
Correct. Correct.
It is right or wrong? Alias name is A dot is right or wrong?
Here the product name is correct only. From this alias table, we have selected this column name. It's correct only. There is no wrong in it. Yeah. So if you are clear, just please write down this question and answer. If not, please let me know. It's the same concept whatever we discussed yesterday. The only thing is I just bring the data from multiple tables here. That's it. Done.
Yeah.
Still not.
Sir,
Yes.
we put here the dense rank.
Mhm.
Okay. After from okay. We put after from production dot product P we are mentioned for the inner join only.
Correct.
No, I thought for this rank function it was.
So we basically will get match record from all the tables.
Partition we are using where more than one column. We have to shorten more than one column.
Because what is the question here? Category and subcategory wise, right?
Yes, sir.
So both the columns should be there in partition.
Yes. Sir, group by we can use with non aggregate functions or not?
Group by?
Can we use group by in a non aggregate function with non aggregate queries or not?
See, we can see basically whatever. One
Instead
second.
of partition, we can use group by yourself.
See, instead of partition, if you use a group by, right, you cannot get the product name column. So if you need it, so I have shown you one query, right, that day.
Yes.
Again inner.
Again, you need to sub.
Yes, again inner join. That query you need to write. Where is that?
Not this one.
Where is this? Okay, I think I have removed it. So I have given, so the point over here is if I put group by, I mean, select and group by, right? So you can put in group non-aggregated column as these two columns and max of this product. If we need the product name, again, you need to join the tables. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's a very lengthy process actually. So instead of that, this is very easy, right?
Yes.
So if you want, I can just show you.
Hmm.
So select. We cannot get the product name in this case directly. We can say max of list price and then group by. Both the columns should come. Now you can see subcategory wise and category wise what is the highest cost we are getting it. But if we need the product name directly, if you put it over here, will act like a non-aggregated column, right? So obviously it should be there in group by also, right? Come up dot name. Now in that case, so you'll be getting all 295 records actually. Okay.
Yes.
So which is wrong. Okay. Here. Yeah, so the only way is you need to join it. Okay, so based upon the category and subcategory and product, right? So you have to join all these 3 columns and get the product name, which is a very lengthy query actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what you can do is you can consider this table as a inner join. Again, you have to write down this query. Okay, now you see we cannot directly put B here. See, last example I have shown you directly B, right?
Yes, sir.
Because there is a one single table. But now to get the product name, category name, subcategory name, so we just need to join 3 tables, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now see, in your B table, we just need to put like this. So select what and all the columns you need for joining and display, just get that column. So what I will do here, pc.name, and we need product name also, right, in the output. So p.name and cost also we need to join. So I'll just say p.list price. List price as product cost. Now you see this is a table data, correct? Inner join. This is inner query and I'm considering it as a BT. Okay. Now in the on condition, what you can do on a dot, can I put category to category and subcategory to subcategory and product cost to product cost? I can join it, right? Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Category to a dot category equals to b dot category and a dot subcategory equals to b dot subcategory. Subcategory and a dot cost also you need to, right? P dot cost, yes. But in the final output, what we required, select
Product
a dot
category name,
name. I need category name, comma a
A
b
dot
a dot
subcategory name.
category name, comma. I need
A
product
dot
name also, right?
Yes, sir.
So product name will come where?
That
In the B table. In the B table.
Only.
Yes. I'll just mention like alias column name, product name. It will come in the B table, na?
Yeah, B dot product.
B dot
Product.
product name, comma. Then the cost you can select anywhere. Anyway, it is inner join, right?
Yes,
So no issues. A dot or B dot is fine. Product.
product cost.
And if you see, I'll be getting the same result set if I go on join. I can show. Okay, somewhere this went wrong. Let me just see. It is on condition B on A dot. Okay. What is this? Oh, here.
Comma.
Okay.
Subcategory name.
Comma I is missing here. Can you see 1529 rows are coming? So why it is 1529?
Aggregate column because maximum.
Product.
The reason behind that is, see, cost is same for multiple products, maybe because of that reason. Okay, 1 second, let me just see. When you do partition with this one, how many rows we are getting? Okay, sorry. Product product name and this name.
94.
Only 94 records, huh? Okay. Just a sec.
$1,529.
Where is it?
Take decision.
Let me take inner query result set. Components. Okay. It's going to two records. But I'm taking max price. One second, let me sort the data and see. Order by basically both should give us the same result set. It's not giving maximum price, no?
Sir, now you have done order by for name, right, sir?
See.
And that's why it's taking order by the name is taking.
Oh, one second. In the grouping, we had put p dot name actually. Should not be the case, no? Let me just check. We have 39 rows. Let's join and see.
B dot product.
Where?
No, above sub. Here B dot product.
B dot product name is fine, no? Product name. Okay, let me execute and see. 95 rows. Okay. And in the above query also same, no?
It's
same.
94 rows. Okay. So here I had put product name in my group by. I did not remove it actually. Okay. So that's why we are getting a wrong information. Yeah. So either you can write this query or you can write above query. So which one is easy for us to do it? This is easy, right?
Partition.
Partition by clause is very easy for us with range. Okay. See, this looks very big. The query looks very big, right? But if you understand, it's easy, correct? See, inner query, and here also one more inner query is there. It looks like what? Select star from A table, inner join B table, but it is not directly A table and B table. Inside we have an inner query, right?
Correct.
So we can write the queries like this also. Clear? If you want, you can write this also. Write down this query also. Everyone understand this, right? Yeah, that's what I have removed. Any confusion on that? Hello, can I get response, please?
Yes.
Everyone understand? Can you please say yes? Can you comment?
Yes, sir, I don't understand.
Only few responses. There are almost 74 members. If you say no, I'll explain to you. Okay.
Right. Here for the certificate.
First clear. Huh? Okay. Next. What about others? There are 74 people out there. Okay. Yeah, bhai. What is the problem with the second query? Tell me why you didn't understand. Where exactly you're not understanding.
Sir, actually,
Sorry?
sir, actually, this query is a very big.
It's very big, but if you understand, it's very easy. See, have you attended last class?
Yes, sir.
I mean, with the group by we perform join to get the student name.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Same
sir.
thing. There it is a single table, but here multiple tables are there. Here directly what we did that day, I have mentioned like B. Can you refer to your notes?
Yes, sir.
That student details table directly
Yes,
I have
sir,
written over here, right?
I remember that query, sir.
Yes. But here
To get the student name.
correct. So we directly return student details table. So and we joined what department name we joined and marks we joined and we get the student, correct?
Student name.
But yes, but in this query, no, in this query, we basically need to join category name, subcategory name, and cost. But
Yes, sir.
all these columns are they're in different tables, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I performed a join here to get all the information. And along with these three columns, I also required product name to display, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's why I have written one, I mean, I have called one more column here just for displaying purpose. And these
Yes,
three columns are joining purpose and this for displaying purpose. And
Yes,
in
sir.
on condition, you can just see category name equals to category name, subcategory name equals to subcategory name, cost with cost. So while joining in the select query, you just see, I'm just selecting product name as well.
Okay,
Just
sir.
to get this column, I performed a join. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very simple query. Just you need to understand that. So now, can anyone tell me the query processing here? Anyone?
I mean, the order of execution or what, sir?
Yes, order of execution for this entire query.
So like, I don't know one thing. So here, like the one thing is like inner query will execute first, but I don't know the above or the below one will execute first.
That's what you need to tell.
Mm,
Can
1
you
minute on that. Yes, sir. Like
First,
I think
first inner query will.
first the above query, the inner query, what it is there that.
No, I need from top to bottom, all the clauses.
Okay. Like from this one, some line number 742, 742, 751 is there, na?
Okay.
Yeah, from here until here, like first here the from clause will execute.
Okay.
Then this then on, then join.
No, one thing you're missing.
1 minute. From okay.
Group by.
Anyone else? Can you try? In this whole query, I want the order of execution.
What was the question? I didn't listen.
The order of execution I need for this entire query.
Sir, you select first one from.
1 second. Let me just take one notepad. Query. I'll just take left. Okay, now tell me.
From condition first, sir.
Who is this?
Sangamesh.
Sorry, Sangamesh. Okay, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
From?
From, sir.
Which
On
from? Tell me. Which from?
First one, sir.
This one?
No, sir. Select.
This
Yes.
This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
Sir, we will start from outer from.
Yes, see, this is basically what? Select star from A table, inner join B table on condition, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me write it over here. I'll just simplify it. Select star from A, inner join B on A dot condition. Let's say ID equals to B dot ID. The query looks like this, right? But the only change here is in place of A, we have a inner query, and in place of B, we have a inner query, right? So now according to this, where exactly it will go? Tell me this query.
From.
So which means which from it will go?
Outer from.
Exactly. This line number 140, correct? 740.
Yes.
Correct. So let me just to identification, I'll just put line number 750 because there are so many froms are there, right? Yes. When it goes to first table, I mean this from, right? So in the from, it do not have directly a table. It has an inner query, correct?
Yeah.
So in the inner query, first where exactly it will go? From. And I'll put the line number for this from 745. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
On condition.
740.
One second. Now let me ask a person because everyone is saying Pushpa.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the order of execution for this?
From on inner join lo on, sir, first.
Okay.
Inner join. Next again on.
Again on.
Group by.
Okay, inner join leva. Any inner join?
Two, sir, inner join.
Then
group by. Select.
That's it now.
Yes, sir, inner join first.
Then where it will go again?
Yes, sir.
Inner join.
Alias column. Yes, sir.
This is fine. Then where it exactly it will go?
Second table.
There is a one more inner query, right? For
inner
B
query.
B. Here, once it is go to from, then it will go to on. Then it, I mean, when it goes to from, right? So it will bring the data from A and B. Okay. So now this is the A query data, right? A table data.
Okay.
And we also need to bring one more inner query data, right?
Yeah.
So let me put here A. Okay, let me ask other person. Second. Natraj. Can you tell me B inner query order of execution, please? Natraj. Manoj Gowda.
Yes.
Tell me.
From 759.
From?
Line number 759.
Line number 759. 1 second, let me just see. Yeah, correct. Line number 759. Okay.
Then on. Inner join.
On. Inner join.
Then again on inner join.
Okay. Then
that's about second query, second inner query B.
Once it is done on inner join, where it will go.
Then again select.
Yes, again it will go to this select, right?
Yes, second query select. Second inner query select.
Ranjita, is that correct?
555.
Ranjita, is that correct? He's saying after inner join select will come, that is line number 755. Is that correct?
No, so it will go on group by down. Sir. Yeah.
We don't have any group by no in the in this B table. Do you have any group by?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, where it will go after second inner join?
Directly from that 755 line select, sir.
Yes.
After finishing this one.
Yes. Now, once this is done, 1 second. Vinod Dasari. After this select, where exactly it will go?